Sustainability Action Lab here in Skive today, also covering the different regions who have been online here. And we have had our European team also sitting here in Skive, all of them working with different ideas. And the reason why we have actually started up such an initiative is due to the fact that now we have had some workshops where we have involved all managers. Now time is also to increase the awareness among our employees. And we think this about having such a creative environment where we bring people together, where they have to meet colleagues that they are not used to work with in regard to sustainability, is a new way to get new dimensions, new thoughts, and again, a number of great ideas.
I think this Actionlab Day was really great. I think it's nice to see that DEIF cares about the future of the world. So I think it has been a good initiative for DEIF. My biggest takeaway is to see that there's a common interest. And I think it's important for DEIF and also for the people in DEIF to keep on thinking in a sustainable way in the future, and that we should do this again in a couple of years to see where we're standing at that time and also how we move forward from there.
I think the day has been great energy, great to have people from different teams gathered and come up with ideas. I think the key takeaways is probably that it is really worth putting people from different teams together and having them generate ideas, not just the normal teams and interactions, but actually joining people who are not usually generating ideas together.